Good morning, students. Today our topic is representation of images formed by spherical mirrors using ray diagrams. Okay. Spherical mirror का definition, important terms. Okay, we already discussed in the previous video. Okay, आपको यदि वो terms आपको देखना है तो आप एक बार जो previous videos हैं वो आप visit कर लीजिएगा. Okay, using ray diagrams means we have to find out the properties of images. means image का size कितना है, point size है, image जो है वो सीधा बना है या उल्टा बना है, image इरेक्ट है आपका, इन्वर्टेड इमेज है, उसका डिस्टेंस कितना है, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस कितना है, इमेज डिस्टेंस कितना है. तो ये सभी हमें आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए वी हैव टू मेथड्स. वन इज प्रैक्टिकल मेथड जो आप सभी जो एपरेटस हैं जैसे लाइक आपने कॉनकेव मिरर लिया और मेजरिंग स्केल आपने लिया, टेबल वगैरह, कैंडल वगैरह आपने लिया, एक्सपेरिमेंट किया और एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के बाद आप उसको ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो जब आप एक्सपेरिमेंट करोगे कि आपने ऑब्जेक्ट को कहाँ पे रखा हुआ है, उसका इमेज कहाँ बना हुआ है. दैट इज प्रैक्टिकल मेथड. ओके, and the second way is by using ray diagrams. Okay, by using ray diagrams you don't need concave mirror. Okay, like this, you just simply draw the diagram. Okay, by using pencil or paper you can also draw these diagrams. Okay, so now in this video we are discussing about ray diagrams. तो रे डायग्राम्स ड्रॉ करने के लिए वी शुड अवेयर अबाउट सम रूल्स. तो आज हम वो रूल्स ही डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में. ओके, फिर भी आप किसी बच्चे को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ समझ ना आए तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताइएगा. मैं कोशिश करूँगा आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो इससे भी अच्छा बनाने के लिए. यस, we can also consider the formation of images by spherical mirrors by drawing ray diagrams. Okay, this is today's video. Consider an extended object of finite size. There are two terms na, extended object or of finite size. Means extended object means the object having length, breadth and height, or you can say it has dimension. For example, like candle has length, breadth, height, means it has dimensions. So you can consider it as extended object. And the other one is point object. Point object, like this, point object. Point object, objects, they do not have dimensions because point does not have dimensions. It does not have length, breadth and height. Means there are two types of object we consider here. An extended object, getting my point, extended object having dimensions of finite size, जिसका एक सीमित size है. जैसे कैंडल है, कैंडल extended object है. why? because it has length, breadth, height. ओके, एंड इसका फिनिट साइज है, एक सीमित आकार है. placed in front of a spherical mirror like this, you just place in front of a spherical mirror like this. Okay, we don't need this spherical mirror, we simply draw, we simply using pencil and paper we can draw this diagram. Okay, with the help of these diagrams we can also find out the properties of images. Each small portion of the extended object acts like a point source. Suppose this is a candle. Okay beta, so on candle you can see there are so many points. We are not talking about point object, this is extended object having points, and from each point a large number of rays originated like this. Not in this direction, in this direction also. Okay, large number of rays are originating from these points. So if you are considering beta all these rays, then it will not so convenient to draw the ray diagrams. So it is better to use only two rays. Okay, आप यदि टू से ज़्यादा रेज का यूज करोगे तो थोड़ा कन्फ्यूज़न होगा. सो इट इज़ बेटर, आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. और यहाँ आप देखोगे कि हमने दो रेज को कंसिडर किया है for making ray diagrams, that is given in this paragraph. Infinite number means असीमित, means बहुत ज़्यादा, जिसको uncountable. number of rays originate from each of these points to construct the ray diagrams in order to locate the image of an object. An arbitrarily large number of rays means randomly, okay, rays emanating from a point could be considered. You can take more than 3 4 rays, 5 10 rays, 20 rays, okay, but it is more convenient to consider only 2 rays for the sake of क्लैरिटी ऑफ द रे डायग्राम. सो आपके लिए अच्छा होगा कि हम यहाँ पे 2 रेज का यूज करें, और एनसीईआरटी में भी आप देखोगे कि हमने 2 रेज का यूज किया है. बट यहाँ पर आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. आप यदि 4 रेज का यूज करोगे, 5 रेज का यूज करोगे, इवन देन यू कैन ड्रॉ द रे डायग्राम, यू कैन गेट द इमेज, ओके. बट अच्छा होगा कि आप इसका 2 रेज का यूज कीजिए. दीज रेज आर सो चोजन दैट it is easy to know their directions after reflection from the mirror, okay. I just show you, wait. Suppose beta this is this diagram, okay. You see the here, we consider like this is first incident and this is second incident. Sorry, this is red line I just mark. This is first ray and this is second ray. These 2 rays we are considering, and these 2 rays we get after reflection, okay. Or in this diagram you also see we are considering 2 rays like this, 1 2, like this 1 2, means 2 rays we are considering here. In this part A also, this is first ray and second ray, means we consider 2 rays for our convenience, okay. Otherwise you can take more than 2 rays. Today we are going to discuss about the rules. The first rule, what is, wait, yeah, this is first rule. A ray parallel to the principal axis, a ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the principal focus, okay, in case of concave mirror. Suppose, what do you mean, this is a concave mirror, okay beta, and what is principal axis? This is pole, midpoint of mirror, that is pole, and if you make a circle like this, this is the center of curvature. If you join this line, this is radius, and if you extend this line, this is become principal axis. This is principal axis, or you can see this blue line is principal axis, okay. Now what is in the first rule? A ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the principal focus. You should remember this thing, okay. You can see here, this is the ray, it is parallel to this principal axis. Now the red line is the principal axis, okay. This line after reflection it pass through the principal focus. This is the rule, okay. You should remember this rule. When parallel lines after reflection from concave mirror, it just pass through the principal focus. But for convex mirror, this is convex mirror beta, part B, this is convex mirror, okay. This is incident ray and this diverge, but this parallel line appear to meet at a focus. That is, what is the difference? In case of concave mirror, the parallel line after reflection it pass through principal focus, okay. But in convex mirror, after reflection it diverges, but it appears, this dotted line, okay, it appears to pass through the principal focus. In case of convex mirror it appears, and in case of concave mirror it passes through, means usme ek up, okay. This is first rule, okay. Now you don't confuse here please. Why we are considering only 1 ray? Because we are discussing the rule, okay. And after discussing rule, in the next video I will explain the ray diagrams for concave or convex, how the images are formed. So now only rules we are considering, so we take 1 ray. Yes, this is first rule. First rule is the parallel line after reflection they pass or appear to pass through principal focus. Okay. Now the second point is a ray passing through the principal focus, this is reverse, okay, a ray passing through the principal focus, like this you can see this principal focus. If a line passing through principal focus, then it becomes parallel. First rule is, if a line parallel, then it passes through principal focus. Now the rule is changed, है ना, it is reverse. If it passes through focus, then it becomes parallel in case of concave mirror, and in case of convex mirror, if a line passes through principal focus, then it appears to become parallel to the principal axis. Yeah. Now the next third rule, this is the rule, a ray passing through center of curvature, this is center of curvature, okay, curvature of concave mirror or directed in the direction of center of curvature of a convex mirror after reflection is reflected back along the same path. Okay, you can see here this line just incident goes, then the same path it goes back, like in convex mirror also the same path it comes back. Okay, this is third rule. And the fourth rule, that is a ray incident obliquely to principal axis toward a pole, like this, toward a pole, it incident on the convex or concave or convex mirror, okay, both the cases, is reflected obliquely. The incident and reflected ray follow the law of reflection. What is the law of reflection? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Suppose this is 30 degree, then it reflects at an angle of 30 degree also. Suppose this is 20 degree, then it reflects 20 degree. Getting this point? So these are the rules. Remember that in all the above cases, the laws of reflection are followed. Okay, all the point of incidence, the incident ray is reflected in such a way that the angle of reflection equal to the angle of incidence. This is the rule of reflection, laws of reflection. Okay, getting my point? Okay, and image formation by concave mirror, in the next video I will make the I will just explain in the next video. Okay, जो इमेज फॉर्मेशन है कॉनकेव मिरर का, वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बनाऊंगा, उसमें अच्छे से आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. बट आपको उससे पहले ये जो आपके लॉज हैं, रूल्स हैं, जो 4 रूल्स मैंने भी आपको बताया, वो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आना चाहिए. तभी आपको कॉनकेव मिरर के जो केसेस हैं, जो कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के जो केसेस हैं, वो समझ में आएंगे. ओके, इन शॉर्ट एक बार मैं आपको चारों रूल्स बता देता हूँ. First rule, a line parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the principal focus. That is first rule. In case of convex mirror, it appears to pass. Second rule, if a line, this is first, and second is, if a ray passes through principal focus like this, then it becomes parallel to the principal axis. This is second. And third rule is, if a line passes through this C point, center of curvature, then it comes back through the same path. And the fourth rule, if this is the incident ray, then it will be reflected. Means angle of incidence and angle of reflection both should be equal. Okay, these are the 4 rules that we have discussed today. Okay, in the next video we will apply these rules to draw the ray diagrams. Okay, आपको बेटा फिर भी कुछ समझ नहीं आया, कुछ आपको कुछ सजेशन आप देना चाहते हो तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे बताइएगा. मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि और अच्छे से आपको समझाऊँ. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू बेटा. और आपको यदि कोई टर्म्स समझ में नहीं आया तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताइएगा.